891-9999. It's March 22, 24, 26 at the Rizal Memorial Football Stadium. 7:30 p.m. matches. On March 22, Philippines versus Brunei Darussalam. March 24, Philippines versus Cambodia. March 26, Philippines versus Turkmenistan. All courtesy of ABS-CBN Sports.
Now, you gotta look back, Boom, on what has happened in this match. If you talk about momentum, I would have to say De La Salle has it.
There's no question.
Fifth set, anything can happen. It's only up to 15. And this will be the set that you'd have to look at your teammate and say, let's get this one.
And
we want it more.
Yes.
And let's not waste whatever we've done and, just win this match.
And
15 points to do it.
Coach Roger Goreev pulls a rabbit out of his hat and puts in the fifth member of the Fab Five, Eilis Nakachi, for the very first time to complete the Hervasio, Ferrer, Ho, and Caillet quintet. Will it make a difference? Or is it an adjustment that is out of desperation?
Yeah.
We'll find out. Fifth set, a quicker, faster, and a mentally exhausting set begins with Eliza Valdez.
Oh,
in
this
an
is
outside hit.
All right, they go back to the usual formula, Boom. Eliza Valdez is the outside hitter this time, and Nakachi starts in the middle. So they've moved out of that earlier system that they were using.
Now, is that a good thing in the sense that what has worked for them in that two sets was the fact that they put Valdez in the middle to surprise the LSU? La Salle has adjusted, there's no question.
Yeah.
But going back to their norm now, is that a good thing?
You know what, Boom? The problem with that setup that they used in that early sets,
Yeah.
nakakapagod kay Eliza yun.
Okay.
Being the center blocker. So now, if she continues to play in that kind of a way, fifth set, and obviously she's tired, they want to give her more time to rest in between exchanges, kaya siguro binalik siya sa outside set.
Oh, Jim Ferrer with a crucial service error as we check in with Selena Dagdag.
There was no doubt in the mood in the huddle earlier, Boom and Ian, and it was that of intensity. Halatang halata that the Lady Eagles want to win this set, and they want to win it bad. Coach Roger encourages them earlier in the huddle and tells them that they have all that it takes to emerge as victors. The only thing that could bring them down are their own errors. Coach made a couple of adjustments which mainly had to do with how they hit or approach the ball. He reminds them that despite the game's complexities, they must not forget their basics. Boom and Ian.
And that's what they're going back to right now with Valdez as the open hitter. Valdez, 16 points, finds a spot in the back zone. And we're 2-all. The graduating Nakachi. Fifth set, Reyes pushes it to a back zone again, reminiscent of game number 2 in the elimination round.
And Mika Reyes, we haven't seen those usual strong hits, tough angle shots from Mika Reyes. They're all pushes, but they really hit that empty zone in the defense of Ateneo. So it doesn't matter if it ain't that strong. Basta importante, butas yung pinagdadala ni Mika.
Combination play! And the cleanest hit so far of the day for Eliza Valdez. Will that wake up her teammates? Because she's going to go to the back line here. But what a draw by Hervasio on the blocker stop.
Bringing Reyes up in the middle, leaving a single block in front of Eliza,
who goes back to the service deck. Kumabao answers back as we check in with Billy Capistrano.
Boom and Ian, buhay na buhay ang Lady Spikers. Now with this one last chance at winning the set, the girls are ready to just give it everything they've got. Now in this very crucial set, Coach Ramil wants the girls to be wise. Let's think of our actions and how we can help the team. Hindi na lang puro lakas, puro bahala na, utak ang gamitin. He also reminded them to trust in each other, but most importantly, to trust in themselves. Guys, the ladies from TAF are so pumped up and aiming to prove to everyone that they do deserve to own Game 1. Boom and Ian?
Unbelievable action here. And La Salle prevails in that rally to go up 2 points. 5-3. Thank you, Billy. And yes, you're right. Buhay na buhay nga. Ang defending champion, sabi nga natin, may pinanghuhugutan sila.
Wow!
In terms of experience of coming back, and they're showing it right now.
You know, that exchange just showed that De La Salle really focused on where that ball was going. Halos, lahat na ng pwesto, napuntahan na ng bola, and they were able to pick it up.
Gretchen Ho had 2 chances to put that away. was unable to. Kainglet finally makes noise. It's been a while for Phil.
The veterans of Ateneo.
Former captain too. Gets it in between the blocks.
Very loose block right there for De La Salle.
4 serving 5. How will this serve go? May fatigue factor na ba?
Meron na ngayon pagka ganitong 5th.
Oh, medyo nawala na nga, no? Temesilio. Sent back. It's out. It's out.
That's right. Demisilio has been in since the 4th, or the 3rd, I should say. And the block was a bit late. Malayo sa net and that ball